So what's up, guys? So we're still chasing some gremlins. Wiring Specialties was supposed to get rid of the gremlins, but hey, I still got some gremlins. Wiring Specialties is very, very good about talking to you and talking you through and helping you figure out what's going on. And we didn't have a VVTi signal. I think I may have the wrong harness, but so we got a couple issues. So at the end of the day, I'm learning. Like, when you get into situations like this, at least you get an opportunity to learn something that you don't know. That I'm okay with. As long as that is happening, I can get over the headache of my engine not starting, fucking up perfectly good brand new oil because now it's filled with fuel. But hey, shit happens, life goes on. Alright, so got a new battery because fucker died again. We're gonna change some things and try to pull a rabbit out of my ass. See what happens. Oh snap, don't fall over. I can't afford to buy another one of those. Alright, like I said, change some stuff. And we'll see if she starts. So I do have to admit that the ECU Masters, even though they don't give you very good bass tunes, unless I guess you got like a supercar, but they do have very good videos to help you figure out this software, and it's very user friendly, so I'm happy with that. So you want to click on the tune engine parameters, get what he's got going up, and then let's just go from there.
It should never be a straight line like this. Another thing, he's got batch all injectors checked. That means the injectors. Basically fires off the injectors as soon as it sees any movement.
All right. Well, we're just gonna. We got our changes in, so we're gonna give it a crank and hope for the best. Make sure she's in neutral. We've got power. Well, that was longer than ever before. Huh. Whew, she's trying to run. She is trying to run. Let's figure this out here. Ooh, I smell some gas, so we're getting gas. Maybe we gotta turn this down a little bit. We're gonna turn off the batch all injectors like he did. Shutting that off though. I didn't like that. Ay. It ran though. Okay, so we steps forward. Just keep doing that, and I mean, I'm sure I got oil leaking, but I don't even care. I just want this to work. Okay, so it's late. I had shit to do. I have a suspicion that I'm losing fuel pressure. I need a port for my fuel gauge. I need like a fuel gauge. Where's my light at? Oh, I remember what it is. So we're gonna try to get it right in this area. Right there. Actually, I'm gonna go get the gauge real quick and just see where it works. Actually, it would work anywhere. Right there's where I want it. So I'll probably put it right there. Alright, that's where she's going. I'm gonna mark it right now. going for. So, do that tomorrow. We'll be right back. Okay, so what we did here is, I'm gonna try to show it to you. We did like a little chamfer out, and then we just drilled to the, I guess the chamber, and tapped it. Now this is a pipe tap, so you don't really need, you shouldn't need any kind of, you shouldn't need anything around this, but I always do. It's just like, it's in my head if I don't. So I'm gonna put a little wrap around it, maybe once or twice, no more than twice. Twice is nice. I keep finding these fucking stickers everywhere. Who brought these stickers here? Unless they want me to put them on my car. But I can't find it. It's probably telling me not to put it on there. But I'm gonna find this and I'm gonna put it on there. But battery's running low, so I'm gonna keep you guys here. So there she is. We'll pray that it fits with it on there. I think it will. Oh God, I don't know. It might not, but we'll find out. Hopefully I didn't fuck it up. Alright, so we got most of it in, but nothing but it looks perfect. I tried to angle a little bit and I had no idea how it was gonna turn out, but it perfect. So we're just gonna get this buttoned up and then yeah, we're ready to see if we got fuel pressure. So we need like 45-ish pounds, I think, 46-ish pounds. I might bump it up just a teeny bit, but so we're gonna run with that. So I'm pretty sure I should have some sort of fuel pressure right now, but I don't. So we're going to do a little adjustment and see if we can get that to come up. There's no fuel pressure. Huh.